Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new money making method that you can use right now in order to make some passive income using your mobile device. I'm going to be showing you everything in today's video, so make sure you watch it from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start to make some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you my updated version of the Mode phone. I have just got through getting paid out with an application from this phone, but this phone is actually used just to make money. So if you can see right here on the homepage of the Mode phone, you can see how the Mode phone makes it easy, quick, and safe for you to earn up to $900 or more per year. Well, number one, easy, earn money with a Mode phone by doing the simple or by doing the things you already do. Surf mode, music mode, news mode, charge mode, and lock mode. Those are all the ways you can make money with this phone. Easy, simple, and just earning money, guys, with a phone. So everything you do on this phone, you're gonna be earning money from some perspective, like from some different thing, guys. Surfing the web, listening to music, checking the news, charging it, or even having it locked. So if we scroll down even more, number two, quickly earn money, since the Mode phone earns up to 50% more per action than the current app. Yo guys, so before we continue on with this video, there is going to be a $10 giveaway somewhere in this video. It might have already shown, it might be somewhere from this point forward, but there's going to be a code somewhere on this video. Make sure to be the first person to put that in your Amazon gift card section on Amazon. And on top of that, guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel so we can continue on with this video. And even on top of that, guys, if you keep watching, I'm going to show you how you can only pay $10 a month for this mobile device, guys. How crazy is that? Only $10, and the very first two payments, you're gonna get the device shipped to you so you can start making that money. So keep watching this video, guys. So we're going to be talking about the current app in a minute, guys. So it says monthly $50, yearly $600 based on 4 hours of daily usage. With the Mode phone, is you're going to be earning you $75 a month and $900 or more based on a 4-hour daily usage. So if you're using the current app, guys, with the Mode phone, you're going to be earning 50% more from that one app alone. Number three, safely use the Mode phone, since it gives you 24/7 control of your data, allowing you to both protect and monetize it. So you can see all of this right here, guys. Compatible with AT&T, T-Mobile, Metro PCS, Mint Mobile, Go Smart, Ultra Mode, Walmart, Straight Talk, and Go. So you can see all of this stuff right here. Look at this. Get the Mode phone for $29 down, then $9 a month. Imagine that, guys. Look how simple, cheap, and easy it is to earn this phone, and having it shipped to you with only $30 down, guys, and just pay $10 a month. How crazy is that? How it works: put $30 down plus your first month's payment to get your Mode phone shipped to you. Unbox it, set it up, which will come with a 12-month device warranty. Invest $10 a month to earn up to $75 or more a month. The Mode phone is not rent to own. As long as you maintain your subscription, you can keep earning up to $900 or more every year with the Mode phone. Receive a new device after 12 months. So now let's go inside of the phone, guys. So let me actually connect this to my computer real quick, and so we can get started by looking at the Mode phone and showing you how to make money with it. So it looks like it's ready, so let's open it up. You can see this is how the Mode phone looks. I have Crypto Tab browser on the phone. I also have S'mores for my lock screen. I have current. I want to look at the current app real quick because I'm going to show you payment proof from this Mode phone. So I recently just started using this phone again. Let me try to unplug it and see. My battery will die pretty soon, so I'm going to charge it to show you that it's working. It says claim your points, please complete this challenge to receive your charging points. So we're just going to back out of that real quick. I'm going to give up my points just for the purpose of this video. Just like the current app, the current app is an application that's going to pay you to listen to music passively. So what you're going to do inside of the current app, all you do is just click on one of these guys. So where it says trending, it's not gonna earn you any money because I have to check in. In order to check in, you have to watch an ad. So I'm just gonna listen to music passively, guys. And you also have this at the top right hand corner. So let me just give up my points real quick so I can pause this. So it says right here, music earning is off. Tap here to activate BB. Now I'm going to explain to you what BB is in a minute, but you're basically going to get paid out. Let me go back to the home screen. 1.8 per minute, guys. One current 0.8 per minute. So if you have this running 24 hours, you can do the math on that, guys. I have this always plugged into a charger and just listening to music every single minute, guys, of the day. So on top of that, guys, I want to show you something interesting that I just found out that I didn't know at the beginning of using the current app itself. Is this super boost up here in the top middle button where it says right here super boosts. Now what I do in order to get 150 current quickly, guys, because you're earning current and at the same time you're going to get a small boost for an hour of +1 current per minute for 1 hour, guys. So I always just watch as much videos as I possibly can, so this 1.8 can turn into 2.8, almost 3 current per minute. Now on top of that, guys, another thing that I do is I'm saving up my current points now because I recently just withdrew a couple of days ago, is this booster. So if we click down here where the bottom left hand corner, you're going to get this tab where it says boosters, and you're gonna be able to get these BB tokens. Now what these BB tokens do, if we click right here at the top right hand corner of the screen, let's click on that real quick, is you're gonna see right here, guys, on the screen it says 1 BB equals 30 days of earning up to 50% faster. So if you actually claim one of these, you're gonna be earning 50% faster your tokens every minute, guys. So how insane is that? So that's what I've been doing lately, guys. Just recently, actually, like a couple of days ago recently, just because I want to start to earn as much Amazon gift cards as I possibly can from this application. And that is where this mode phone comes into play, guys. If we scroll up, what did it say just recently? Right here, 50% more per action than the current app. So you're going to be earning over around $900 or more just by the current app alone, based off of what it says here. But as you can see, guys, I recently just withdrew a $10 Amazon gift card, so I'm going to search for that in a minute, or while we're searching for it right here, and you can see all of these. So this is what I redeemed. So I earned up to 19,750 points and redeemed this $10 Amazon gift card, and that is going to be shown somewhere on this screen for one of you guys that are lucky, are going to be able to put that inside of your Amazon account and redeem the $10 Amazon gift card. If you're fast enough and if you're one of the first people to watch this video, well, there you go, guys. Make sure to comment down below if you're the person who actually won the free $10 Amazon gift card that I'm going to be showing you right now, payment proof from this application. So there you go, guys. There is the current app. It says your $10 Amazon gift card has arrived, and the code is underneath here, guys, so you can't see it. So whoever actually redeemed that Amazon gift card, again, comment that down below in the comment section of this video, guys. It might actually be a pinned comment down below in the comment section, so make sure you check that out, guys. A free $10 Amazon gift card from me. And again, if you're down to join with this mode phone, make sure to click the link down below, guys, so you can be a part of those $10 a month by just paying off your phone $10 a month, guys. How crazy is that? So that is going to be my update of how I'm using the mode phone, payment proof from the mode phone. And on top of that, guys, you can see everywhere where you can make money with all of these apps. You can make money. Sorry for it taking so long, but you know, it's just part of, I guess, the internet or something. But you can earn money by using any of these apps that are going to be on your mode phone once you receive it. And this is how it's going to look. You just play games, earn money, listen to music, earn money, search the web, earn money, crypto tab browser, earn money, honey gain, earn money. So guys, that is it. My name is Edward Carreno. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.